Our planet is facing unprecedented challenges caused by our over-reliance on fossil-based resources. A paradigm shift towards a circular, bio-based era is imperative. The Academy of Finland's flagship program, FinnCERES, hosted by VTT and Aalto University, enables deep-rooted science to address some of these major challenges. In a mission to redefine the bioeconomy, FinnCERES is developing novel, sustainable uses of our precious natural resources. Uses which not only replace their fossil-based counterparts, but outperform them.
When we are dealing with research program which has basis on quite much on the fundamental understanding of the phenomena and the features, and you go a little bit back to the basics, and that's one way to find something completely new.
I think what we need to do really is to start thinking more about the biomass as a sort of not an abundant resource, but a limited resource. We have the targets of reducing fossil carbon in our materials. What is the most effective way of doing that?
We want to change our relation with nature. And that means that we need to put efforts together with a mindset focus on the environment and what is that we are going to produce as a legacy for the next generation.
To use woody raw material in a sustainable way, I think one important thing is to take everything and use the cellulose, use the lignin, use the hemicelluloses, use the extractives.
The challenges, the research questions are very complicated. Therefore, we should join our resources, our knowledge, in order to solve these grand challenges.
Our competence center is strongly linked to the national and EU level bioeconomy innovation and business ecosystems. FinnCERES is well aligned with the development of industrial investments in bio-based materials in Finland. The close collaboration with industry ensures exploitation of the novel material solutions, which can be transformed into successful business and new jobs.
FinnCERES excellently serves the recently renewed strategies of Aalto and VTT, which means we are strongly committed to reaching the targets of the flagship.
The flagship program has 5 focus areas: clean air and water, lignocellulosics beyond plastics, electronics, optics, and energy applications, future biorefineries, and fundamental research. The fundamental research aims to unveil the untapped potential embedded in the inherent properties of woody biomass. Lignocellulose offers vast unutilized opportunities in material solutions. To complement traditional kraft pulping, novel solvents, new bioprocesses, and enzymatic treatments of lignocellulose offer selective routes for extracting valuable fractions that can be applied to brand new areas and end products. While the pulp industry has battled for decades with the high hygroscopicity of pulp, FinnCERES researchers have turned this detrimental feature into an ocean of opportunities, ranging from water and air purification filters to combating microplastics and pharmaceutical residues in wastewater treatment. The lignocellulosic building blocks can be used to replace plastics, but perhaps more importantly, to create entirely new materials that are lighter, recyclable, use less energy to produce, and do not create harmful microplastics in the environment. Perhaps the most surprising area of new applications of woody biomass is found within the field of electronics, optics, and energy applications. Groundbreaking discoveries are being made in optoelectronics, medical sensing, bio-based semiconductors, energy harvesting, and energy storage. The FinnCERES ecosystem works closely with global networks and alliances, joining forces to create a better world.